Hey foodies, welcome to my channel, which is all about cooking different dishes with my mom's recipes. This is my first ever video on YouTube and I hope you all like it. So please do like and share with your mom if you like the recipe. Today is my mom's birthday and it feels so special to release my first ever video on YouTube, and also with the recipe that I like a lot about her. So this is the Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani, which is cooked in an authentic style with my mom's recipe. So I'm gonna cook this chicken dum biryani in 6 simple steps. So this took some time for me to get to this stage, but my mom is already proud of me. But no one can reach to the way that she cooks. She cooks like yummy chicken dum biryani. Here are the list of ingredients that we're gonna use to cook our chicken dum biryani. So now the first step is to marinate the chicken. For this I'm gonna take a cooking pot and add like 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. So this is the pot that we're gonna use to cook chicken dum biryani. So now I'm gonna add like all my washed chicken. So here I'm using the boneless chicken, but you can use it with bone too, but make sure that the pieces are cut in bigger size. So now I'm gonna add like 5 tablespoons of chili powder. So you can add according to your spice levels. As I eat a lot of spicy food, I'm adding like 5 tablespoons of chili powder. So next is to add like half a tablespoon of turmeric. So next is like 2 tablespoons of salt, or as per your taste. So but 1 to 2 tablespoons is good. So next is like 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 4 tablespoons of chicken masala. Add 6 to 7 chilies, green chilies. You can add like less as well, so it depends on your spice levels again. So mix all this mixture so that the masalas get into the chicken. Mix it with your hand, that's gonna be good. Now I'm gonna add like 8 to 9 tablespoons of curd or yogurt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So for yogurt or curd, make sure that you're gonna use the whole milk one, and which is not a flavored one. So now we're gonna mix it all over again. So do it as we did for the previous mixture. So coming back to the curd or yogurt, why I was telling not to use the flavored ones, because it's gonna spoil the taste of the chicken. So you make sure that you're gonna get a whole milk curd or yogurt from any of the Indian stores. Add the chopped coriander or cilantro. So next we're gonna add some fried onions, which I got it from nearby Indian store. You can also make this at home too, by just cutting the onions and frying them on hot oil, but I wanted to make it easier, so I got it from Indian store. So these fried onions is gonna give that tenderness to the chicken. So make sure that you mix it all over again as we did for the previous two. Now that we have mixed it, so now we're gonna add like 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. This is an optional though, but it's good to add. Let's move to the next step, which is to cook the biryani rice. So for this, take a cooking pot and fill 60% with water and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So adding this oil will separate every grain of rice. So now we're gonna add like 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt. You can add salt according to your taste, but 4 to 5 tablespoons will make the rice taste better. add 3 to 4 bay leaves. Then add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks flat. Add some cloves. Add some cardamom. Add some star anise and some chopped coriander or cilantro. All these spices are optional, you can add according to your taste. Now move this cooking pot on a high heat so that all this gets mixed. Leave it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes on a high heat, the water will come to boiling state as this. So once the water comes to boiling state as this, we're gonna take around 100 ml of water, this hot water, in a glass. So we're gonna use this glass and we're gonna move this hot water to the marinated chicken that we put it aside. So adding this hot water is gonna cook the chicken little bit, and also it's not gonna leave any kind of burnt on the bottom. Now add this long grain basmati rice which is washed, so onto this hot water. So now the rice is gonna get cooked, so leave it for like a minute or two, so until this comes to a boiling state again. So you're gonna see that the rice is kind of jumping around. So this is when we're gonna take out the rice. So here the rice is like 50% cooked, so we're gonna move to the third step, which is we're gonna transfer this cooked rice, partial cooked rice, to the marinated chicken. So we're gonna take out the first layer of rice, which is gonna be around 50 to 60% of cooked rice. So you're gonna see this is like partially cooked. So move it to the marinated chicken. So we're gonna pour the first layer of it. So now that we are just spreading this around, so now the rice, it's getting cooked. So now it's gonna be around like 70% cooked, because it's like sitting for like 30 to 40 seconds on a high heat. So now we're gonna move the next layer and pour on top of it. So the bottom layer, it's gonna get cooked with the chicken, so it's gonna, the 50 to 60% of the rice, cooked rice, it's gonna come to a good taste. So now we have added the second layer. Now the third and last layer, so it's gonna be like sitting for more than like another minute on a high heat water. So now it's gonna be around like 80 to 90% cooked. You can see the difference for the previous layers versus this. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. So this ghee is a homemade ghee which my mom made at home. So she sent me over last time when I traveled. So this tastes good and gives a good aroma to the biryani. Add the food color. So I'm using orange color here, which is mixed with milk. You can also use with saffron too, it's gonna give the same kind of color, but I'm using the food color here. Now add some chopped coriander on top of this. We're gonna add some fried onions so that it's gonna give a good aroma on top. Now this step 4, so we're gonna wrap the cooking pot, and this is the most important step. So this is where the dum biryani comes into the picture. So I'm wrapping this up with the aluminum foil. You can also do with making with the flour. So you can use the wheat flour and mix it with water, and you can do that, but that's gonna be a like tedious thing. So that's how usually like bigger biryanis get it done, but I'm using the aluminum foil here. It's time to cook now. So I moved this cooking pot and put it on a high heat. So this is how the dum biryani goes into the picture. So we're gonna leave the cooking pot for 5 minutes on a high heat, 8 minutes on a medium heat, and then 20 minutes on a low heat. So now I've put it on a high heat, so let it cook. So meanwhile, this is how the climate looks outside. We had a snowstorm that day when I was cooking all this, so it was pretty good climate. Now it's almost like 35 minutes. We are done, and I'm gonna open this and show you how it looks. So let's open the aluminum foil. Ooh, so the fifth step. So I have opened the wrap and it's ready to serve, and the yummy chicken dum biryani is ready. So you can see how it looks. So it looks almost same to the restaurant style. I am sure that my mom is gonna love this. So the chicken is well cooked. So now the final step is here. So I'm gonna do the plating of this Hyderabad chicken dum biryani. So you can see how well the chicken is being cooked, and so are the masalas and the rice. So I'm gonna do the plating and add a boiled egg on top of it, which is gonna give the feel of a restaurant style. So now you all are here. Just do let me know how did you like about this video. If you did like about this video, then please do share with your mom and also with any of your colleagues, friends. And yeah, so I just wanted to tell another thing. So today is my mom's birthday and also Mother's Day is around the corner. I'm gonna give away like $100 of coupon or transfer to the account for one lucky subscriber. So just to qualify for that, what you have to do is you have to subscribe and just leave a comment on the comment section. What did you like about this video, and what is one dish that you like about your mom? I know you all guys gonna love each and every dish, but just leave one dish and what do you like about this video. So that's it guys. So do like and always love your moms. Moms are the best. So just until the next video, we're gonna meet again. So just do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below, and do qualify for the giveaway, and do follow us on the Instagram and do tag us all these pictures or whatever you want to tag us. That's it guys, until the next time, bye.